Video 468, Isolation Mirror Mode. Sometimes when we're drawing, we want the brush to be isolated to whatever level our cursor is in, because we want to create some type of symmetric design within just a single level. However, that's not what we always want to do. Up, up, down, down, left, right, B. Sometimes we want to mirror across the entire renderable space. To do that, I press question mark. And now when we draw, it is global. It's a global mirroring brush rather than a local mirroring brush. Let's look at the code before we run out of time here. So in key mask down editor, we're not going to do this line because then F12 doesn't work. But further down in the code, we have a keyboard event for the question mark key. So if we go down here, you can see the question mark key, which is also the slash key. We're going to get a shorthand reference to the editor, get if editor isolation mode is on or not, assert that the flag is either 1 or 0, crash if it's not, and then we're going to invert that flag right here. We're also going to call input event keyboard event dot prevent default to prevent the search dialog from popping up when we press the question mark key in Firefox. Here's what we did previously, and here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video and some other notes as well. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here to the Ninja Coder playlist. You're on the Kanji Coder playlist. You can also get technical demo playlists here, where we don't go over any of the code, we just kind of show what the current game state is. Source code is here. Email me here, like, subscribe, send money.